Hi, in this video I'm going to explain a little bit about what Moodle is and how it works. First of all, Moodle is a content management system, which really just means you're going to put content on the web, and depending on the kind of user or the user's permissions, they're going to see different things. So for example, as a teacher, you're going to be able to see things that allow you to make a course, edit work, things like that. As a student, you won't be able to see that, but you'll be able to see the content that's published. Let me show you what I mean. I have got an account here. I'm going to log in. And this account is just a student. So when you log in as a student, this is what you see. These are the course offerings that we could choose from. This shows that we have some notes about one of the classes. Okay. I could click here to find out a little bit about the teacher of this class. And from here I could browse around and subscribe to a class. Notice that over here this is pretty empty, and also down here what you're seeing. Notice the buttons up here. There's nothing here that says turn editing on or anything like that. Okay, compare that to, I'm going to log out of this account and I'm going to log back in. Now this is an administrative user. So the administrative user sees a little bit different setup. So I have a list of available courses here. That's optional. I also have a kind of a news forum for administrative users to use. So we can share some ideas here. And the things that we're sharing here are not available to students, as you saw. Also notice here on the side it's very different. We have a site administration block where we can add users, courses, look at grades, and change things for the whole system. Things look a little bit differently down here. Also up at the top, notice we have a button that says turn editing on. And when I click that, these new icons show up. I'll talk about these a little bit later, but I don't think it'll hurt to be repetitive, I hope. There are some common icons and functions that go all across Moodle, and so let me focus on the main ones. These little arrows would move up and down. We'll also see arrows here that move right, and if you go over here, you'll see this moves left. Let me stick with this one. This looks like a pretty good representation. So the eyeball means this is visible or not visible. The hand holding a pencil means edit this, in this case with this block, this square. The X would be delete it, move it left or right, move it up or move it down. And I'll go over that in another demonstration. For this one, I just wanted you to see the differences. So again, here we are at the administrative site. And I'm going to log out. Now I'm going to log in as a student account. And again, notice the differences. Very different. That is the content management aspect of Moodle.